In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to make text follow along a vector path in Figma. It's a simple 6-step process that'll give your designs a creative edge. Start by opening your design canvas and selecting both the text layer and the vector path you want to work with. Make sure both elements are selected before moving forward. With both items selected, look down at the bottom section of your interface and click on the Actions button. In the search field that appears, type in "to path" and select it from the list of options. You'll see some settings appear that let you customize how the text flows along the path. Adjust these to match your design vision. When you're happy with your settings, click the Link button to apply the changes. And there you have it! Your text is now flowing beautifully along the vector path you selected. You've successfully learned how to attach text to vector paths in Figma. Feel free to run through this again anytime you need a refresher.